Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My name is Courtney and I enjoy decorating, DIYs, thrift flips, and so much more. Honey, you are getting the whole entire lifestyle right here. So if you enjoy that type of content, you have reached the right channel. Today I am working on a DIY wreath project, and my original idea was that I'd have snowy pine cones for my wreath. So I took a bucket of water and mixed in some white paint, but the effect wasn't quite what I wanted. So I'm going to rethink it and come back again because the final effect is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm here to tell you that didn't really work out. So take two, I'm gonna try something different. Today's video is part of the close collaboration, 'Tis the Season to Sparkle, hosted by the Home Decor Luxe Club, whose members are Glam Elegant Living, our main host, co-hosted by Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, DIY Design by CCW, Miriam's Creative Corner, The Grace Life, DIY Home Decor, and myself, Amethyst Adventures. Links to all of our channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So take two on my pine cone project. Once I didn't achieve the snowy look that I wanted with my pine cones, I came back in with some Dollar Tree spray adhesive and some gold glitter. And I did half of the pine cones with the glitter treatment and the other half I spray painted gold. And this is what gave me the final look on the pine cones to add to my wreath.
Jolly old Saint Nicholas, lean your ear this way. Don't you tell us.
So you saw me paint and glitter all of these by putting a little hot glue on the edge. But that's not going to be enough, so let me put more.
What you bring to me, tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast.
Okay, now that I have the outside, and it did take quite a bit of hot glue, I'm going to come back around and attempt to do the inner edge. And I say attempt because there's not a lot of room.
Mine will be the shortest one.
Now that I've finished the inside edge, I'm going to go around and I'm going to glue some to fill in the gaps. I actually picked them up out of the yard of our Airbnb when we were in P-Town, so absolutely free. I'm going to go around the back and reinforce it once again with hot glue. How they look from the front, I still have to clean up those hot glue strings, but that gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. So now I'm gonna work on my bows, and I got these from Dollar Tree, and they're the Christmas colored pipe cleaners. So I'm gonna use these to not only make my bow but also to attach it. And I don't want the bow so big, so I would say maybe about 4 or 5 inches is plenty long enough.
Lean your ear this way. Don't you tell a single soul what I'm going to say. Christmas Eve is coming soon. Now are you, dear old man? Whisper what you bring.
And here we have it. are completed wreaths, and I am so happy with the end result. Sometimes things don't work out right the first time for a reason, because I am absolutely in love with this gold. So I hope you like it, and I hope it gives you inspiration to recreate this DIY in your home. If you like today's video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time.